Wizard. I am here going to weigh some packs. I want to know what is the difference of weighing the packs. I have 3 different packs over here. I have a Stellar Crown at Distant Rivals and White Flare from Scarlet Violet. So I'm gonna weigh Stellar Crown first and see what's the weight on this one. 27.32. Distant Rivals. 27.40. White Flare. 27.59. Earlier was 60. Do it again one more time. 27.59. Okay. So let's go and open the White Flare and see what we get out of it. Hello. Okay. Open the White Flare because we just weighed in. It was 27.59, 27.60. So let's see what we can get out of the White Flare pack. This is the new set. I heard it's really good. Take it down if you guys want it. Let's do Metal Energy. It's fighting. Woobat. Petrat. Blitzel. Zulias. Watchog. Brave Bengal. Garbodor. A nice Oshawott. A nice art Zura. And a hollow Tetracon. Well, stay tuned for more, guys. Stay tuned for more. I'll open up a pack a day. There's we didn't get much out of here. So stay tuned and stay blessed. Stay out of trouble. Goodbye. Deuces.